Now let's finally understand the twins. What are twins? Twins are the ones which have identical characters. And how is their identical character even seen? Because they have same genetics. So let's understand twins in a brief moment. So how are twins formed? The fertilization occurs, as we all know. What is fertilization? Embryo is formed, but there are two type of twins that get formed after the formation of embryo, and one also get formed before the formation of embryo. So let's understand that. First is of the same genetic, and the second is of different genetics. So let's understand the first, which have the same genetics. The one which have the same genetics is known as similar genetic twins or the genetic twins. How are they formed? They are formed with the mitotic division of the embryo, not the zygote, not the stem cell, but the entire embryo. Embryo is also a type of cell. It is a mass of cell, but it is a cell. So mitotic division of the embryo occurs during the pathway, that is during the 8 days. Before the 8 days, the division, that is the mitotic division of the embryo occurs, and two embryo, that is the two embryo from a single embryos are formed. So two new are formed from a single one which had the same genetics. So that's why two individual one will now grow, and the some would have some defect, because the one which were the energy that were provided to the one are now going to be distributed to the two. So some genetic and some problem may occur, but the twins now have the same genetics, same gender, and same everything, and that's why identical twin. That's how identical twins are formed. This is the thing. And after, as I told you before 8 days, what happens if the mitotic division occurs after 8 days? Then conjoined twins are formed. After 8 days, mitotic division not completely occurs, and then conjoined twins are formed. What are conjoined twins? As you can see here, the organs of these twins will be, some organs will be the same, some organ will be the different, and their lives becomes really hard. They live a really hard life, and also during their living phase some surgery can occur, but if surgery is occurring, then the living time of some of them would be very less, because during surgery one may die, one the other one die, or both of them die, or sometime both of them also live. So surgery is a crazy thing, but it could be performed for the preservation of the lives. And after that, what comes? After that comes our the second type of twins. What is the second type of twins? The one which genetic is not similar. So people say that the girl and boy also say that we are the twins, but they're girls and boys. They do not have the same facial thing and same gender. So how they are twins? They are twins technically. Now let me tell you how. During, as I told you before, as you remember it, and I told you once that one oocyte is released, one ovum, that is one egg is released every alternate month from every alternate oviduct. But sometimes, due to nature's inconsistency, two oocyte, that is the two eggs, are released. Now some sperm go in this direction, some go in this direction. Then both of the eggs are fertilized, and when the both are fertilized, then both would grow. So their gender would be not the same, their genetic would not be the same, but they will grow in the same condition. So this is why they are technically twins but not genetically twins. Thank you.